Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited to show you my digital marketing campaign dashboard. It's more than just numbers, it's the tool that helps me supercharge my marketing strategies. Ready to dive into the world of data-driven marketing? Let's get started. And that's a wrap, folks. I hope you enjoyed exploring my digital marketing campaign dashboard as much as I enjoyed sharing it with you. Remember, in the ever-evolving landscape of digital marketing, harnessing the power of data is key to success. If you found this video helpful or insightful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content like this. And as always, feel free to drop any questions or comments down below. I love hearing from you all. Until next time, keep analyzing, keep optimizing, and keep crushing those marketing goals. Thanks for watching.